the sort of the classic stereotype of the engineer is someone who can relate to a computer or relate to a motor, relate to an inanimate object, and just hates dealing with people. And there's a certain core of me that is like that, but there's a shell that's the opposite over it, and I can feel the continual battle between the two. Most engineers wouldn't readily think of we engineer things, we make them better. At some point at Kodak, it occurred to me that human systems, if you will, human organizations, should be just as amenable to being engineered, put that in quotation marks, to being improved, that it was a worthy study in and of its own. And actually, the more and more I thought of it, it struck me that you can have all the engineering talent and all the technology in the world, you can have the best in the world, if you don't organize it and manage it properly, it doesn't get you anywhere. So perhaps, being an engineering bigot, admitting to myself that the human part of the equation is at least as important as the technology part of the equation, ultimately for success. And it was at that point that I became interested in earning an MBA, or at least learning more about how do you organize people and how do you manage people.